dog issue. So the mommy dog really wanted to come inside our tent, and since we had kind of not a fuss but a difficulty last night, because when she overtook the tent, we had differences in between us of not letting a dog sleep along with us. However, we shared our tent with the rest of the people and we slept outside, like we showed the video yesterday. And right now, so finally she took where Maui was sleeping. She took the place. She was trying to take the blanket also. However, there she is without the blanket. And here is Maui. So dog cat coexisting together. It is really interesting how Maui is so caring about everyone in this planet. I love you all. Signing off. Baby doggy? No, before sign off. Baby doggy?
Baby doggy is trying to find milk.
What are you seeing, Maui? Oh, acha, too much light. Okay. Jeeram Papa. Babuda, what's up?
Fine.
Weapon of mass destruction.
Ha ha ha.